If you're experiencing login failures on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming in no time. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your Xbox Series X is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, select Network, and then test network connection to verify your connection status. Step 2. Restart your console. Power cycle your Xbox Series X by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a minute, then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Verify account credentials. Double check your Microsoft account credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password. If needed, reset your password using the Microsoft account recovery options. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the console's cache by holding the power button for 10 seconds to turn it off, then unplug the power cable from the back of the console. Wait for a minute before plugging it back in and turning it on. Step 5. Update console software. Ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance. Happy gaming!